Shakespeare? Is it Gulzar? Adaptation है या remake? My brain तो can't compute. Error 404. Comedy not found. Get it? Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is my channel. You're watching a movie review, and today we are talking about Rohit Shetty's Circus. Now in movie theaters. Based on Shakespeare's comedy of errors, Circus, technically comedy classify आप कर सकते हैं if you are feeling generous. Two sets of twins are separated at birth. Three identical strangers style, that documentary on Netflix, by what can only be described as a fourth wall breaking psychopath scientist played by Murli Sharma. Couple of decades later, इन चारों की मुलाकात होती है by chance ऊटी में.
कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि इस शहर में मेरा कोई हमशक्ल है?
चल माना तेरा हमशक्ल है, मेरा भी हमशक्ल होगा क्या?
यार मेरी तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
A major reason this movie is generating any interest is due to its leading hero being a bona fide Bollywood movie star, right? अब भाई हर किसी को पसंद है एक good looking energetic man, muscles, screen और street दोनों में नाचते हुए इंद्रधनुषी कपड़े पहने, committed to lighting up my goddamn day every day. Except in a world saturated with Instagram reels, everyone is now wearing the Ranveer Singh wardrobe. Where is the actual Ranveer value add? Where have you stored away the phenomenal actor? We know you are, my man. In his weakest performance thus far, both the Ranveers are named Roy and they look blank behind their eyes. The actor is simply not present in either of the characters. The only time he momentarily comes alive is when dancing with Deepika Padukone, the duo feeding off of each other's energies. The song Current Lagare works as a short-lived bright flashlight in the darkness of this bumbling script with sets made of Play-Doh and vegetable dye, characters cast in Paw Patrol molds. As soon as Deepika departs, so does Ranveer's enthusiasm for any continued participation in this loud but soulless parade, generating little more than second-hand embarrassment in this viewer. Despite the double role, Circus has less Ranveer than his one paper magazine photo shoot. इस फिल्म में जब ऊटी वाले रॉय की इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग परफॉर्मेंस होती है तो बैंगलोर वाले रॉय को झटके लगते हैं. ऊटी वाला जॉय जब आइसक्रीम खाता हुआ टाइट रोप पे चलता है सर्कस में तो बैंगलोर वाले जॉय को कुछ नहीं होता है. कौन पूछेगा? Why? For a movie titled Circus, we spent shockingly little time inside the colorful tamboos, the setting having no bearing on the larger plot of this film. Instead, we are gallivanting pointlessly with recurring Rohit Shetty characters like Nagmani, who drives a taxi and says, Nagmani ko sab pata hai, making you think that perhaps Rajesh Hirji will be revealed as some sort of clairvoyant, but alas, his contribution to the comedy is limited to a terribly fake-looking snake tattoo. Once again.
रॉय को देख के लगता नहीं कि वो इतने बड़े घर में रहता होगा.
बिंदु को देखकर भी नहीं लगता कि आप उसके बाप होंगे.
Announced with Ranveer Singh in the midst of the first COVID lockdown, Circus has been in the making in some shape or form since 2010, I believe. At least that's as far back as the PR articles go. Shah Rukh Khan was to do this film, right? A little nod to his Circus spelt correct days, perhaps. Here we are, 12 years later, with Ranveer Singh sticking his tongue out a bunch as Jacqueline Fernandez says, "Daddy," in a baby voice. Pooja Hegde looks nice and sweet with a shockingly pointless ghostwriter subplot. Varun Sharma showcases another shade of Chucha. Tiku Tilsania, Brajendra Kala, Johnny Lever, they appear in two forgettable scenes each, and Sanjay Mishra delivers pun upon pun upon pun.
Was this a compliment?
Maybe.
To be honest, more than anyone, this film belongs to Sanjay Mishra, even when the movie sets belong to Wes Anderson's Grand Budapest Hotel. Sanjay Mishra calling Alim Hakim a human lollipop and Mukesh Tiwari, Fakira Bagira Jaljeera, sent me. In a scene, Jacqueline Fernandez's character arrives in Ooty without telling Roy. As she is revealed standing behind some people in a hotel lobby, Sanjay Mishra, playing her father, Raisab, sits poised at a piano ready to provide her the apt entry shot music his daughter deserves. His one-liners and energy crescendos better than the movie's screenplay. The actor is having so much fun with this, one can only imagine how much of a riot it might have been being on set with him.
कितने अजीबोगरीब है तुम्हारे डैडी.
अजीबो गरीब होगे तुम, हम अजीबो अमीर हैं.
The overall movie though is not riotous. My best hope is that it convinces a boomer or two to step aside as their millennial offspring express their desire to adopt children. That's pretty much it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Circus is 1942 से लेकर late 60s तक set है ये. One assumes this is because in today's day and age, facial recognition and social media might render the central conflict unviable. अगर आपको कोई justification समझ में आया तो बताना comments में यहाँ पर नीचे. Movie लगी हुई है सिनेमा हॉल में, देखो. Today we're also talking about Rian Johnson's Netflix release Glass Onion Knives Out का sequel. Subscribe कीजिए to my channel. Review will be up soon. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.